This is the MegaWise large room air purifier, and it just works wonderfully. And when the air quality is good, the light is green. But if it's moderate, it turns yellow, and if it's bad, it turns red. And this is great for pet dander, pollen, smoke, and dust too. So let me show you how awesome this is and how it works. So there's touch panels here on the top, and it blows the air out, and around here is where it sucks the air in. And the filter is down here as well. I'm going to show you right now how it works. So let me turn this off, and all you have to do is tip this over like this, and all you have to do is twist this off, and here is your air filter. Wow, look how nice. And then all you have to do is replace the air filter just like that, and then twist it back into place like that. And that is how easy it is to change the air filter. And then all you have to do is turn it on, and there's touch screen right here. This is a 4-stage filtration system, and it will remove 99.7% of particles, up to 0.3 microns. It works really great and efficiently too. And there's several different settings that you can put it on, as well as a timer as well. And this is what it looks like in the dark. Pretty neat, huh? Let me show you how it works. To turn it on, you push this power button. And as you can see, this light turns on. And when you want to change it to the next level, you just push it again, and that's in the sleep pattern. This light turns off, but it still is working very quietly, so you can sleep comfortably. Then if you push it again, it will be on a low setting. And if you push it one more time, then it goes on high. Now, if you want to put the child lock on, you just push it down for a couple of seconds, and then it turns on, and now it's locked. And to turn it off, you push it down for a few seconds, and now it's off. If you want, you can also put it on a timer for 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours. Then you can turn it off as well. And if this light turns on, that means it's time to change the air filter. I was sent this from MegaWise to evaluate, and I absolutely love it. And I think you will too. It just works so great and efficiently as well. And it's so quiet too, you'll hardly know that it's on. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.